guys, to prepare the punch, I'm gonna be cleaning these two bananas and cutting them. So let me put some salt and baking soda just to clean the skin, because now I'm gonna be drinking skin and all. And you go to the store and everybody's touching, so, and through processing, so you have to clean the skin. I'm gonna get rid of this piece. And then I'm gonna rinse. I'm just gonna quickly cut it up and put it in the water I have boiling. Now I don't want the bananas to get black, guys, so I'm just going to put a dash of salt and some milk. Just one dash of salt and some milk. I don't have the other milk, so I'm using the powder Lasco milk. Like maybe a tablespoon. Teaspoon or tablespoon of milk so that the green banana doesn't get black. I'm going to put these in the pot and let them cook for 15 minutes. And then start blending after it's cool. So guys, I did not put too much water, okay, because I'm gonna be adding like my milk and stuff like that, liquid to it, so I didn't put too much water. I'm just hoping the bananas don't oxidize. But either way, I'm going to be using them. So I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes. Like somewhat cook it. And this drink, guys, there's lots of iron in it. A lot loaded with iron. And it makes you strong, which is why they call it the Jamaican strong back drink. Punch. So guys, I'm going to put some water on my plant while the banana is cooking and cooling. I don't want to drown it too much. And it looks like I'm seeing a little tomato there. Can you see, guys? There it is. I'm excited. So guys, it's warm outdoor and it is summer in Canada. I'm excited, guys. This is my kind of weather. So guys, the banana is cooling. After being cooked for 15 minutes, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oats, because I want to put oats in it, and the oats, just to make sure, heap tablespoon, like it softens up a bit in the warm water. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of oats, and this can be done while it's blending, but I want the oats to soften up. And then I'm gonna just put a dash of cinnamon powder. Let me use the other one that's open. like a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and you know, get that to infuse or diffuse in the hot water and leave to cool. Then later I'll blend it. Now guys, the banana has cooled with the oats, and I'm gonna pour it into the Vitamix. And also guys, I'll put a link to the Vitamix into this video. So if you'd like to, you know, you're interested and want to order the Vitamix on Amazon, then you can click on the link, okay? And most of the times Amazon has good deals on anything you want. So that's a Vitamix with the 2 tablespoons of oats. This is Seamoss. Actually, I wanted to blend up the Seamoss first, guys. Let me undo this so I want to blend up the Seamoss first. I'm going to blend the Seamoss first, and this is a tablespoon each of cashew, peanut, the peanut with the shell, the raw peanut with the shell, tablespoon each cashew, peanut with the shell, and peanut without the shell, roasted cashew, tablespoon each. Blend up the Seamoss. I put a little liquid in it. So guys, not a lot of Seamoss because a little goes a long way, okay? So like, you know, a little bit of the Seamoss I had soak away the salt for a couple of days, and then I rinse it. And this is the green banana here with skin and everything. I'm going to blend the skin, everything with the oats, 2 tablespoons of oats. And with the skin and everything, guys, you know, this is a lot of iron. Like, we need iron, right? It's very important. I'm going to blend everything and serve with ice. So with the water and all, and then the cashew, the nuts, all the nuts that I showed you. And then a little bit of almond. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to put like, you know, a little drip into the, like 2 drops, because it's strong almond essence. And nutmeg. Because all these things are good for you, right? And I wanted to use this vanilla, guys, but I also did take the vanilla bean out. Where did I put it? The vanilla bean. I'll look for it in a minute. And then honey also. You know, just a squeeze, tablespoon. Oh, here's a vanilla bean. I want to use a vanilla bean. You remember I bought it and said I would use it for you to see. Thing is sealed. Anyway, I put the almond essence, and then I want to put the nutriment. I'll open the vanilla. Instead of using the vanilla, I'll cut open the vanilla bean in a minute and use it. Because it will be my first time using it. So my nutriment, you check your date, you know, check your expiry date on the can. Shake it up, give it a good shake. And some people put dragon stout, but I won't put any, you know, no form of alcohol, no dragon stout this time. So I'm gonna use this instead of milk. Some people use milk, I'll use a Nutriment. Maybe I can use all of it, but I don't want to overload the machine, so let me just wait first, and then I'll prepare and I have sweet milk here just in case it needs to be sweetened a bit. And yeah, let me prepare this. So guys, I've never used this before, but I guess you cut it open, like you know, go down here and cut it. It's slit. That is how I see them do it. I hope this thing is not dried out. So guys, I'm just gonna, you know, scrape here. Scrape along there, and yeah. So you cut an inside of it, and can you see you scrape in the middle? So I'm not sure if it's dried out, guys, but I'll just put I did put it in, and then I'll put a little bit drop of my vanilla, and let me blend this, and then if it needs sweetening, I'll put the sweet milk, some sweet milk, not a lot, and then if there's space, I'll put the rest of the Nutriment. But if you don't have Nutriment, you can use milk. So guys, I tasted it, and it tastes so rich and creamy and delicious. But it won't need a lot of milk, so I won't bother to open that milk. I'll use this can here that I have some left up from. You know, that's like about 4 tablespoons, or you know, sweeten to your liking, because you didn't even have to put milk in this thing, sweet milk. It's sweet the way it is, because remember I did put a little bit of honey, and then you mix. Guys, I'm impressed. I really like the taste of this. It tastes so good. And then I'm gonna serve this with ice. There's not much milk left, so I used what was remaining in the can. Look at the texture. So I can't put any more Nutriment because it's gonna overflow. So guys, I have this much of the Nutriment left, so that I use like a 3/4 of the can. It was too much for the blender, and this is how it looks. Yummy, and I am so excited. Let me pull this out. Creamy, guys. It's truly delicious. And then I'm gonna put some on ice. Guys, I guarantee you this thing is packed with iron and nutriment, and they call it the strong back, Jamaican punch strong back. Let me put some more in the glass. Some people put dragon stout, but I don't want to put any alcohol in this drink. So guys, this punch can be made different ways. Sometimes the Jamaicans put okra or, you know, aloe vera, like however you want to mix it with your, sometimes they use plantains instead of green bananas. And that's the strong back punch. Strong back. It's not only for men, it's also for women. Women need to be strong, and we need iron also, okay? And I'm gonna drink it now for you. There it is, guys. Packed with iron, banana skin and all. Okay, we peel our banana skin and throw it away, but there's a lot to the skin. You can do your own research, you know. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and you know, share the video with friends, family, and also ask others to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up please, and feel free to leave a comment down below. So guys, remember, if you do not have you know, cashew, like, don't feel free, like, you don't have to use peanut cashew, like, we use whatever nuts you have. You know, you can, if you want to use walnut or, you know, whatever nut you would rather have, like, or if you have just peanut, you can use peanut. You don't have to use everything, but I use what I have readily available. It's not too sweet, so give the video a thumbs up, you know, like, share, subscribe, and thank you for joining me in another video, guys, and see you in the next one.